Welcome to Cien.ai's GTM Heatmap analysis training series. In this video, we will show how to quickly test a hypothesis. Cien.ai has identified a list of key hypotheses that will guide it through a top-down analysis of your go-to-market strategy. High churn is a common issue when the customer base has a negative net growth. First, we will identify the TrueAI KPIs for the hypothesis. TrueAI KPIs can be found in the GTM Heatmap analysis process deck. High churn hypothesis has two TrueAI KPIs: customer base expansion, customer value expansion. TrueAI KPIs are metrics designed to measure root causes of business problems from a top-down perspective. To identify the value for the company's TrueAI KPIs, we will go to the strategy report. First, we will go to the criteria tab to ensure we are capturing the period under analysis. By default, the last full year is recommended. Then we will go to the tab Churn History and look for the comparisons between new accounts against churned accounts. We input these values into the Heatmap worksheet. The ratio is new accounts divided by churned accounts, which is 272 divided by 653. The G result is 0.42, which is below the reference values. In this case, the lower the value, the greater the problem. Therefore, a potential high churn problem has been identified. Based on the standard deviation, 0.5 in this case, we consider two standard deviations to set a normal distribution accounting for the majority of the scenarios. In this case, the industry average is 0.6. This is translated as a score of 50, right in the middle. To have a standardized comparison across TrueAI KPI, the extreme values are considered as two standard deviations from the mean.c. To the right, a score of 100 is when the TrueAI KPI is 1.6. To the left, a score of 0 is a TrueAI KPI of negative 0.4. In this case, the company has a TrueAI KPI of 0.4, which is translated as a score of 40. Therefore, we have identified that customer base expansion is in the underperforming area. Now we move to TrueAI KPI2 and repeat the process. TrueAI KPI2 is customer value expansion. We will compare the revenue from new accounts, $64.5 million, divided by the revenue churn amount, $69.7 million. The ratio is 0.93, which is below the reference value of 1.5. If we standardize the value from 0 to 100, the score is approximately 10. Now, combining the score from both TrueAI KPIs, we obtain the hypothesis score. In this case, the high churn hypothesis got a score of 25, which is in the underperformer zone. Qualitative context plays a role, and scores might be subject to post-analysis adjustment when considering company-specific context. Thus, this hypothesis will be flagged as confirmed, showing the company is underperforming in this area. The RevOps team can now dig deeper. The same analysis can be done by geography, role, or function. Additional ideas for research and transformation are included in the Heatmap process. The confirmed hypothesis is added to the Heatmap analysis. In it, Cien.ai includes an estimation of the growth opportunity, as well as information on common root causes to identify transformation leverages. That wraps up this quick hypothesis verification. Stay tuned for our next video in the series, where we'll explore another key hypothesis. Thanks for watching. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out.